Climate change. It is a critical global issue driven by human activities, leading to significant environmental, social, and economic impacts. Human activities, particularly since the Industrial Revolution, have significantly increased greenhouse gas emissions, leading to global warming. Key contributors include burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. Major impact of climate change on people and nature has far-reaching effects on both human societies and natural ecosystems. Extreme weather events, increased frequency and intensity of storms, hurricanes, heat waves, and wildfires. Rising sea levels, melting polar ice caps and glaciers contribute to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities. Ocean acidification. Higher carbon dioxide levels are making oceans more acidic, impacting marine life and ecosystems. Biodiversity loss. Changing climates disrupts habitats, leading to species extinction and loss of biodiversity. How can we prevent climate change? Reforestation. Proper segregation. Solar energy. Animal shelters. Limitation of vehicles that emit harmful smoke.